Today this is a different type of shout out video. This is going to be like a highlight video where I'm going to show you what they've made, and I'm going to show you how it inspired me to make something similar, but of course in my own way. I hope you guys enjoy.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So I was walking around the shop the other day and I came across these, some nuts and washers, and I already had some pen kits. There is the final pen. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.